Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's classes, and today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper question number 54. A consumer's utility function is given by 2x minus 1 to the power 0.25 into x2 minus 4 to the power 0.75. If the consumer has a budget of 73, unit prices of x1 and x2 are 2 and 1 respectively, then the value of x1 plus x2 is how much? Okay, so the utility function u of x1 comma x2 is 2x minus 1 to the power 0.25, that is 1 by 4, and x2 minus 4 to the power 0.75, that is 3 by 4. The money income of the individual is given to be 73. The price of good 1 is 2 and the price of good 2 is 1. So we want to first find out the optimal amount of good 1 and good 2. Then we will add them up to get x1 plus x2. So for optimization, we know what is the optimal condition. It is the marginal rate of substitution is equals to the price ratio, right? So in this case, the price ratio is simply 2. So we need to evaluate the MRS and fix this out. And what is the budget line for the individual? M, which is 73, is equals to P1x1 plus P2x2. So in order to find out the MRS, we can take the monotonic transformation of log, easier for calculation. So 1 by 4 log of 2x minus 1, if I denote this log of u as v, plus 3 by 4 log of x2 minus 4. So MRS is what? Partial derivative of v with respect to x1 in the numerator, partial derivative of v with respect to x2 in the denominator. So that is 1 by 4 into 2x minus 1 divided by 2, 3 by 4 x2 minus 4. So that makes it 2 by 3 x2 by 4 2x1 minus 1. So that means the optimization condition is 2 by 3 x2 minus 4 2x1 minus 1 is equals to 2. So from here we can get this. Okay. From the budget line we can write x2 is equals to 73 minus 2x1 and replace it over here. So 73 minus 2x1 minus 4 is equals to 3 times 2x minus 1. So that makes it 69 minus 2x1 is equals to 6x1 minus 3. So 72 is equals to 8x1. So x1 star is equals to 9. And x2 star will be how much? 73 minus 2x1 star. So that is 73 minus 2 into 9. 73 minus 18. So that is 55. So if you add both of them, x1 star plus x2 star, that is 55 plus 9 giving you 64. So the correct answer of x1 star plus x2 star is 64. Thank you.